This stunning Federation home will catch your eye as soon as you walk past. Charming, gorgeous and level throughout, opening to a north-facing sunny garden. I'm Anthony O'Gorman and we're pleased to present to you 19 Walga Road, Mosman. This single-level home in a blue ribbon Mosman address has a timeless beauty reflective of its Federation heritage with subtle updates throughout. The home features a light and bright open plan living space with gorgeous timber floors, 4 double bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and tandem carport at the rear. The home itself oozes street appeal and is surrounded by beautiful mature gardens. The home itself is centrally located, footsteps to Avenue Road shops, Mosman Village, Spit Junction, Mosman Bay, parks, ovals, schools, and even Balmoral Beach. It's footsteps to direct city transport and Mosman Ferry to Circular Quay. With elegant interiors, it features high ornate ceilings, beautiful picture rails, and corbelled archways throughout. The floor plan flows effortlessly onto a large wraparound timber balcony. The property also features underfloor heating and there is a full internal laundry. Combining a wonderful Federation charm with a sunny north aspect in a prized Mosman location, we can assure you this is a home not to be missed. On behalf of O'Gorman and Partners, we look forward to seeing you at the next open.